So you just spent 4 years getting your computer science degree. You can code in Python, Java, and JavaScript. You've even built a few projects. But there is a slight problem. Nobody cares anymore, apparently. A recent Stanford study revealed that employment for software developers aged 22 to 25 has dropped nearly 20% since late 2022. Fresh graduates from top universities are struggling to find jobs. So if you think your code alone is going to land you that dream job, we need to talk. Let's look at the numbers. While junior developers are losing jobs, senior developers over 30, their employment actually grew by 6 to 12% in the same period. Entry-level positions across customer service, accounting, marketing, down 13% for young workers. This decline started specifically in late 2022. What happened then? ChatGPT launched.
Coincidence? I think not!
Here's what's actually happening. Tools like Cursor, Windsurf, and GitHub Copilot. 65% of developers are using them daily. I even use them at my job, and that's totally accepted, even demanded now. But here's the thing. Experienced developers working on complex repositories were actually 19% slower when using AI, because they spent more time reviewing and fixing AI-generated mistakes. AI is incredible at generating boilerplate code, but it's terrible at understanding your specific business logic, your company's architecture, and your security requirements. That's why companies are keeping their senior devs and not hiring as many juniors. They need people who can manage AI, not compete with it. So what do employers care about in 2026? BearsDev, a company that screens 2 million job applications a year, announced that soft skills now make up 40% of their evaluation process. That number doubled in just 2 years. 92% of hiring managers now say soft skills are just as important as technical skills. And by that, I mean communication. Can you explain your complex algorithm to your product manager who doesn't code? Can you write documentation that your teammate can actually understand? Can you explain what your code does while actively writing it in a technical interview? If you can do that, then you are indispensable. Problem solving beyond code is also important. A great dev asks, why do you need this? What problem are we actually solving? And sometimes suggests a completely different, simpler, even better solution. That's how I got my first promotion. Here's the mindset shift you need. Stop seeing AI as either your slave or your replacement. Start seeing it as your own junior developer. I use it to speed through the boring stuff. Boilerplate, repetitive functions, converting designs to code, but then I'm the one who reviews it, tests it, and integrates it with the existing architecture. I know a developer who graduated in 2023, great coder, solid projects, applied to 200 jobs, got nowhere.
So this year I applied for 1,084,209 jobs.
She started contributing to open source where she had to collaborate with teams, write documentation, review code, explain her design decisions. Within 5 months, she got hired, not because her code got better, but because she could prove she had the soft skills to work in a real team. So here's what you do, starting today. Get comfortable with AI tools, but never ship code you don't fully understand. 2, force yourself into uncomfortable conversations. Present your work in meetings. Write clear documentation, join Discord communities, and help others debug. 3, build something that solves a real problem for real people where you have to gather requirements and handle feedback. 4, contribute to open source. Not just code, review pull requests, improve documentation, participate in discussions. And 5, stop obsessing over the hottest new framework. Focus on fundamentals, system design, security, performance optimization, user experience. Remember what I said at the beginning? Nobody cares about your code.
Nobody cares.
That's actually the best news you could get, because it means you can differentiate yourself through skills that are actually more fun to develop. So what's one soft skill you're going to work on this week? Drop it in the comments. And if this changed how you think about your career as a developer, hit that like button and subscribe, because we're diving deep into how to actually thrive in the age of AI. And speaking of AI, I've partnered with Outskill, the first ever AI-focused educational platform to accelerate AI learning for people like you and me. They are hosting the 2-day Gen AI Engineering Mastermind live this Friday, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., and Saturday, 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And right now is the perfect moment to join, because you can get in absolutely free for the next 48 hours. They already built 10 million plus AI first professionals worldwide and are rated 4.9 out of 5 on Trustpilot. In 12 hours, you will learn how developers can build AI agents and boost their productivity, how to build end-to-end agentic workflows, and even build a team of AI agents from scratch. And the most interesting part? Learn by building through real-world case studies from companies like Uber, and you'll also learn how to profit from the skills you learn. If you attend both the days, you are walking away with free bonuses such as an AI engineering prompt Bible, ready to implement custom GPTs, access to high-profile Git repositories. Seats are limited. Use the link in the description to join, and just when you sign up, you'll get access to the 2026 AI Survival Hackbook, so join their free WhatsApp community as well. Thanks to Outskill for sponsoring this video.